How's it going, everybody? In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a set of night vision goggles from the company WARMTUYO. I think's how you would say that. And these things are absolutely amazing. I got to put them to the test a couple nights ago, kind of walking around the backyard, just looking around at stuff. Well, let me just go ahead and go over the box. I put them back in the box for the purpose of this video. So it's an IR sensor. It's a 50mm lens, and it's 4K UHD. 3.5-inch screen for filming screen, or the screen that a viewer, it's a viewfinder screen. It's got a recording mode, 4D display, 4,000 milliamp battery, and it takes photos. And looking over the back, you kind of like some dimensions of it here and all that. But you know what? Let's just go ahead and open this thing up, and let me show you what I've used it, or how I've been putting it together. So open it up, you get a little kind of warranty card there. And then here's the unit itself. Now I put the lanyard on there and I'll show you that. You get, this is what it came with right there. A little instruction manual, and I will go over that here in a minute. A USB-C cable, which I have 10,000 of those, so I really didn't need it. A microfiber cloth for cleaning it, and a, you know, a little inspection, a little QC inspection sticker. We always like those. And I don't think there was anything in any of these. So let's go ahead and put this aside. So what I did, this lanyard right here, it was actually a little tough to get that through there. I used a needle to thread that through, but I highly recommend this. This is a very high quality kind of neck lanyard right here that works extremely well. It is adjustable and it looks good. This thing looks very good, like a nice looking premium device. Actually, the whole device in itself looks really good. This would be great for hunters or people that just want to do outdoor type things. I used it to find my cat. I'm outside and I can look around my yard and find my cat when he's out in the yard. And let's just kind of like go over the unit. So open it up, this bottom. By the way, this is kind of slightly waterproof. It's a little tough to get open right there. So it is a little bit slightly, you've got an on and off switch right here. It's kind of a secondary switch. The USB-C cable, which is charging, goes in there. And then check this out. This is a supplied SD card. You get a 32 gig micro SD card with it. So that is a supplied card that comes with it, which is very handy. And that's a little cover goes on there. It has a tripod mount, 1/4-20 tripod mount. It has these grips on the side, nice for holding it. And this is all kind of rubberized padding for putting up on your face. And then to turn it on, you're just going to hold this down right here. And then as soon as you do that, you can see it is coming on. And actually, you see this little button right here? That's how you make these light up. So just so you know, if your buttons are not lit up, just hit that, and now you see I got the buttons all lit up. It goes through an operation process of opening up there. I don't know how well you can see it in there. There's a few modes here. So when you hit the mode button, I'm going to try to show it the best I can. There's the camera mode for taking pictures, 36 megapixel pictures. Hit that again, 4K video, and there's a menu button right here. You hit that menu button and you could scroll through the menu, and all of it you're looking through this viewfinder. I don't know how well it's coming out on the video, but you can see how you can change the 4K resolution, 36 megapixel, language, time setting, screensaver on and off, screen brightness 5. I have it on 5. I actually auto power off, I put it on 5, and then date tags, night vision sensitivity, audio. By the way, this records audio. How awesome is that? Default settings, and you could just format the card. So if you just want to format the card, you can do that. And then over here, you've got the play. So I don't know how well you can see it, but you see how I hit that play button? Now that's actual video that I've already taken. It can't show good in this. I'll actually throw some up on the screen of what I filmed and how I filmed this thing and how great it worked, because the night vision has several modes to it where it's kind of like light, darker. You can zoom in, zoom out. Everything is controlled by these buttons here on the right hand side. So, and then if you want to take a quick picture, you can take a quick picture. This is something that I think would be great for anyone that's a hunter and you're out camping and you hear some noise in the woods and it's pitch black. Open this up and you can make sure there's not a bear or a wolf or something or somebody over there checking you out. I think this would be great for that too. So yeah, everybody, this is something I'm going to have on my travels when I'm pretty much camping and traveling around. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the WARMTUYO night vision goggles. Check these things out. See you on the next video.